Hi guys, so I'm just doing a quick video for you. So just so you guys know, this is the main photocell. This here is the receiver. So when I come over here, it is clicking. What I've done is, when I was over there, when we were on the phone, when we said, oh, check your connections, I took it out, and then when I was doing that, it wasn't clicking over there. It wasn't clicking. So that confirms to me that when I've put that back in, that the beam is in line. So it's, you know, this is in line with that. So what I've done as well is, obviously, so that comes down here, over to here, up here, around here, into this here. So I've labelled these as they should be. Sorry about the little rat's nest here. So you've got the RX photocell and you've got the TX photocell. So what I've done is, because I've put the green in the TX and the green and white in the number 2. So these are in Wagos, but these are just so they don't touch anything. So I've crimped everything, make sure that everything's got ferrules on. These are in there nice and tight. So this is basically linking this to that one there. So it's linking that to that. Now this one here, this has got a fly lead that goes into number 2, which is that there, and these are now linked between that and that, which is here. That goes into your TX terminals. I've got, this is your control wire, I guess. I think that's what you're calling it. So I had it in CX, and and then this is your number 10 cable. So I'm definitely getting 24 volts down there. Sorry, customers coming. I'm definitely getting 24 volts here. So yeah, so I'm getting the power, which is what I want. See, as you can see, I'm still getting C1 safety. I've changed the CX to CY, so I'm pressed enter. Go over to functions, go over to CX input. Well, we're not in CX anymore, so that's disabled. Got CY input, which is C1. CZ input, that's disabled. Close truss disabled, lock disabled, configure encoder. Number of motors, because there's 2. Motor type, which is these type of motors here. Sleep mode disabled. Got close turned on. So yeah, it's just basically going back round. So that's what I have. However, I'm still getting safety C1, and then you've got the red light flashing. If I switch it off for say 10 seconds just to reset it, I'm just going to leave it off for a sec. I'm going to turn it back on again. Still got safety C1. So if we go into enter, we're going to test MOT. What I want to do is I want to test the gates. So test number 2. Oh, it's already open, isn't it? It's not going to work that. If I do encoder then. Encoder. Set encoder, confirm, yes. There we go. So it's starting to close that one. So we know that the motors will work. So we're going to have to go through this. Let me pause this just so that way you can then don't have to go through the whole shebang. There you go, that's closing now. Now it goes on to this one here, which is perfect. So that's now closed. It opens up. You can hear the relays clicking when it kicks into gear. Now this one. There we go. So set encoder OK. So if I now exit, still C1 flashing.